again welcome back to my channel Rise and Shine with PND. Now it's almost 10 o'clock and now let's start our Belief 1 with today's series, that is painting the 10 colors of excellence. First, if you have not subscribed my channel, then pause this video now itself and click the red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to receive all the notifications from our channel. So let's start with Belief 1. Everything popular may not be right. For me, this is one of the most and prominent beliefs that prompt me to validate any information, news, view, opinion, rumor, advertisement, value or culture. Many people in a society fail to resist the pressure against the practices and rituals just because they are popular among the masses. Thus, we lose the power to exercise our own choice and we end up following the crowd. Many people in the world fail to resist the pressure against the lifestyles that are defined by a set of people who have managed to make them popular. Anyone going against these norms is made to look and feel like a black sheep in a herd of white ones. Friends, peers, and relatives play a great role in creating this feeling. The fear that captures them is that what will people say? What will society say? Will they accept me? What will happen if they don't accept me? This is the main fear that one feels. Can you think of such few practices that are popular and not right? The fear of what will people say drives most people into the trap of accepting popular norms that may not be right. Friends, can you think of a few practices that are popular and not right? Comment below. The list goes on like dowry, bribes, smoking, alcoholism, junk food, drug abuse, gossip, lying, caste system, racism, and greed. These practices are popular and adopted so easily that they are no more seen as detrimental to our way of living. On the other hand, practices such as simplicity, equality, truth, sincerity, integrity, and need-based life are considered impractical concepts. We are conditioned to accept everything popular and reject everything that is not. One does not see the positivity or negativity that lies inside it. The main intention behind the rumor or any news or any advertisement. One does not see the positive side or negative side of it, only just accepts it without seeing that is it right or is it wrong. Remember friends, the next time you hear an opinion, news or view, do not forget to ask yourself, maybe it is popular, but is it right? I hope that you liked this video, you understood this belief, and if you have any doubts regarding this belief or regarding this video, please leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe it, like my video, comment and share it with all the ones, all the closed ones, and help them rise and shine. If you are Hindi viewer, then at 6 p.m. in the evening, we telecast or we have a live session of this video in Hindi language. So guys, we'll meet on 25th of January with second belief of this series. Share this video with each and everyone who needs to watch it. Bye bye and take care.